Have you ever wondered if there is a town in Ghana where there are gatekeepers? I used to wonder about that also, but after I watched movies, I asked myself, do we have this in Ghana where there are gatekeepers? And then boom, I found this town. Akosombo, what beauty. The town with gatekeepers, that's the military, police, customs, and one officer of the authority guarding the gate. This is the Akosombo Hospital. Very nice and beautiful. You find it before you enter the town, which is in the middle of mountains. Such beauty. The layout is so amazing and it is surrounded by beautiful trees. As I thought I have seen it all, then to my surprise, I found this town with trees and neat roads. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I will entreat you to do well to click on the red subscribe button. Wait for some few minutes. You will see a notification bell. Click on it and select all to get notified anytime we post our videos. Akosombo is a small town in the south of the Asuogyaman District, eastern region of Ghana, with notable street names of some African countries in the sub-region like Ghana, Congo, Namibia, Lagos Town, Freetown, and etc. It is preoccupied by people of diverse ethnic groups or backgrounds like the Akans, Krobo, and other ethnics. Akosombo is north of the Adomi Bridge at Atimpoku, which is a 3 to 5 minute drive away. As you can see, this is an amazing scene. This is where the officers live. We have the mess community 1. That's what I'm showing you right now. It's just lovely and beautiful. As you can see, the buildings well laid out, well arranged, and the streets are filled up with trees and amazing, beautiful lines, street lines, black cotal, as you can see. Where you are seeing right now is an area that is called Combine. This is where the indigenes live. Then the officers or the workers of the VRA or Volta River Authority have their own place that they live. The town of Akosombo is the site of the Akosombo Dam, the dam which is managed by the Volta River Authority. They also manage the town, making it autonomous. The affairs of the town is managed by the authority and not any government official. I was told that the indigenes were living around the area of the textile factory, which is 3 kilometers away from the entrance of the town, and the authorities moved them that they were not making the place dignified. So they moved them behind their quarters to an area called Combine, where I just showed you. Akosombo is a very beautiful place with well layout, except for the Combine, which is having an improper settlement style. This is the mess 1 that you are seeing in the video right now. I've had viewers always asking about where the trees in the towns that I'm capturing are. But this time around, in the case of Akosombo, it is evidently all this clear and it's entirely different. As you can see from the shots right now, it's all a green environment. It has made the environment so airy, so clean and nice, and the town looks very beautiful. The town is surrounded by beautiful mountains. There are a lot of tourism sites in the town with a lot of hotels and guest houses. There is the Dodi Cruise boat for sightseeing on Volta Lake and Akosombo Dam, which you can all visit and view. I learned from the town that you cannot raise any animal like goats, sheep, or others in this town, or you cannot leave your animals to roam on the streets of the town. Also, no mad person is allowed to enter the town from the outside. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, as I said, I will entreat you to click on the red subscribe button. Wait for some few minutes, you see a notification bell. Click on it and select all to get notified anytime we will post our videos.